Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
ZMZ 409 power unit technical characteristics. Name characteristics brand ZMZ 409 type ZMZ 409040.10. Analog of 409.10 with a new cylinder. New gaskets. DAD. Meets -3 € environmental standard. Power is 128 horsepower. It is installed on UAZ Patriot, Hunter, Pickup, Cargo. ZMZ 40905.10, analog of 40904.10, meets -4 € environmental standard. Power 128 horsepower. It is used in Patriot, Hunter, Pickup, Cargo. ZMZ 4091.10 is a deforced down version of ZMZ 40904.10, another receiver, camshafts, lift 8, phase 240, firmware, meets -3 € environmental standard. It is used on UAZ Bukanki. Power 112 horsepower, ZMZ 40911.10, analog of ZMZ 4091.10, DAD, meets -4 € environmental standard. It is used in UAZ Bukanka. Power 112 horsepower, ZMZ 4092.10 is a non-serial motor. Power is 160 horsepower. It is used on Volgas. Service. The engine is supposed to be serviced after 15,000 kilometers of mileage. On car forums, the question is often asked, how much oil can the engine hold? So, the engine holds 7 liters of engine oil, but only 6 liters will be needed when replacing it. The main oils recommended by the manufacturer and motorists are semi-synthetics with markings 5W30, 5W40, 10W30, 10W40, 15W40, 20W40. The maintenance card does not differ from the 409 and looks like this: 1000-2500 km or TO0, oil and oil filter replacement. 8,000 to 10,000 km, TO1, replacement of oil, and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, fuel. 25,000 km, TO2, change of oil filter. 40,000 km, TO3, change of oil, and air filter, spark plugs, high voltage wires, valve adjustment. 55,000 km, TO4, change of oil filter, fuel filter, replacement of timing chain and alternator belt. 70,000 km, TO5 and subsequent, change of oil and oil filter. Every 20,000 km the fuel and air filter is changed, valves are adjusted. Every 50,000 km, replacement of timing chain. Faults and repairs. When the technical characteristics and device are considered, it is worth proceeding to the consideration of the main problems, as well as how to repair the ZMZ 409 engine. Important. Before repairing the ZMZ 409 with your own hands, it is worth studying the repair manual of the power unit, but if the motorist is confident in his abilities, then proceed directly to action. The most common problem is trolling and floating revolutions. Eliminate this malfunction can be independently, without leaving the garage. So, let's consider the causes and methods of troubleshooting. Bad fuel and the power system. If the fuel tank was filled with low-quality fuel, it can clog the power system, which will lead to floating revs and trolling. To fix the problem, the entire system will need to be cleaned and the injectors will need to be cleaned. Once the procedure is done, it is worth checking the performance of the powertrain. For spark plugs and high voltage wires 16 often, plugs and wires can become a problem. Repair of ZMZ 409, in this case, is quite simple. The old parts are unscrewed, inspected and, if necessary, replaced. It is worth remembering that before installing new spark plugs it is worth setting the gap between the electrodes. If this is not done, the combustion of fuel will not be uniform, which leads to the effect, burning valves. Sensors and ECU malfunction of sensors and electronic engine control unit. In this case, error codes will help, by which you can immediately determine what the malfunction is hiding. So, let's consider the decoding of ECU errors. Oxygen sensor heater circuit malfunction 1 open or short circuit to ground of oxygen. Sensor heater circuit 1 short circuit to onboard of oxygen sensor heater circuit 1 oxygen sensor heater circuit malfunction 2 open or short circuit to ground of oxygen sensor heater circuit 2 short oxygen sensor heater circuit 2 short circuit to onboard network. Mass airflow sensor signal out of acceptable range low signal level in mass airflow sensor circuit high signal level in mass air. Flow sensor circuit low signal level in inlet air temperature sensor circuit low signal level in inlet air temperature sensor circuit. Intake air temperature sensor circuit signal high coolant temperature sensor signal out of acceptable range coolant temperature sensor. Circuit signal low coolant temperature sensor circuit signal high throttle position sensor 1 circuit signal low throttle position sensor. 1 circuit signal high faulty signal circuit injector control circuit 3 malfunction injector control circuit 4 malfunction low signal level in throttle position sensor 2 circuit high signal level in throttle position sensor 2 circuit open or short circuit to ground of injector control circuit 1 short circuit to ground of injector circuit 1 open or short circuit to ground of injector circuit injector control circuit 2 short circuit to mains of injector circuit 2 open or short circuit to mains of injector control circuit 3 short circuit to mains of injector circuit 3 open or short circuit to mains of injector control circuit 4 short circuit to mains of injector circuit 4 random multiple ignition misses in cylinder 1, affecting toxicity cylinder 2 ignition misses affecting toxicity cylinder 3 ignition misses affecting toxicity cylinder 4 ignition misses affecting toxicity low signal in detonation sensor circuit no signal or malfunction in crankshaft position sensor circuit malfunction in camshaft position sensor circuit neutralizer efficiency is below the permissible level. Adsorber purge valve control circuit defective or open adsorber purge valve control circuit open or short circuit to ground short circuit. To onboard power supply of adsorber purge valve control circuit electric fan relay control circuit 1 defective control circuit. Of electric fan relay 2 no signal from vehicle speed sensor incorrect signal from brake pedal switches electric fan relay control. Circuit 2 no signal from vehicle speed sensor incorrect signal from brake pedal switches onboard voltage below operating threshold low. Onboard voltage high onboard voltage faulty flash ROM of controller, control error. Controller ROM, checksum error, controller malfunction electric fuel pump relay control circuit open circuit electric fuel pump relay. Control circuit open or short circuit to ground electric fuel pump relay control circuit short circuit to onboard power air conditioner. Compressor clutch relay control circuit malfunction clutch relay circuit open or short circuit to ground air conditioner compressor short. Circuit to ground of air conditioner compressor clutch relay circuit open circuit or short circuit to ground of electric fan relay. Control circuit 1 short circuit to ground of electric fan relay control circuit 1 open circuit or short circuit to ground of electric fan relay control circuit 2 short circuit to ground of electric fan relay control circuit 2 short circuit to ground of electric fan relay control circuit 2 invalid throttle position 1 and 2 sensor readings do not match acceleration pedal position. Out of acceptable range engine speed out of acceptable range irreversible fuel injection restriction due to system malfunctions engine. System monitoring program error throttle position out of acceptable range initial throttle position INR high signal level in acceleration. Pedal position sensor 1 circuit low signal level in acceleration. Pedal position sensor 2 circuit high signal level in acceleration. Pedal position sensor 2 circuit throttle position sensor 1 and 2 mismatch. Acceleration pedal position sensor 1 and 2 mismatch. Fuel supply system drifts from medium to lean area at idle. Fuel supply system drifts from medium to rich area at idle. Oxygen sensor 1 and 2 signals do not match. Oxygen sensor 2 signal is lean. Oxygen sensor 2 signal is rich. C001 can information fault bus. P0001 fuel pressure regulator control circuit open. P0002 fuel pressure regulator control circuit load limit driver overheating. P0003 short circuit to mass of fuel pressure regulator control circuit. P0004 short circuit to onboard of fuel pressure regulator control circuit. Fuel pressure regulator control circuit. P0016 phase fault between camshaft and crankshaft position sensor signals. P0087 fuel pressure 2 low. P0088 fuel pressure 2 high. P0100 mass airflow sensor circuit fault. P0101 mass airflow sensor signal outside the permissible range. P0102 mass airflow sensor circuit signal low. P0103 mass airflow sensor circuit signal high. P0110 inlet air temperature sensor circuit fault. P0111 air temperature sensor signal outside the permissible range. P0112 air temperature sensor circuit signal low. XML pH 0010 at depot. Excessive airflow through the exhaust gas recirculation valve. P0480 faulty control circuit of electric fan relay no. 1 P0481 faulty control circuit of electric fan relay no. 2 P0487 exhaust gas recirculation valve control circuit interrupted. P0488 exhaust gas recirculation valve out of control range. P0500 circuit fault or no signal from vehicle speed sensor. P0501 vehicle speed sensor signal out of range. P0502 vehicle speed is low, too low. P0503 P0504 brake pedal switch signals mismatch. P0560 increased onboard voltage. P06050030 controller flash ROM fault checksum error. 0031 P06060032 controller malfunction or initialization error. 0036 P06070037 controller internal fault self-monitoring module fault. 0038 P060A0101 internal controller malfunction self monitoring module malfunction. 0102 P060B0103 controller internal fault controller ADC defective. 0112 P061000113 incompatible vehicle data when writing vehicle data to EEPROM. 0116 P061A0117 controller internal fault invalid torque. 0118 P061B0122 internal controller fault unreliable calculated torque. P061C internal controller fault unreliable engine speed. P0627 open circuit in the control circuit of the electric fuel pump relay or diesel booster. P0628 open circuit or short circuit to mass in the control circuit of the electric pump relay. Electric pump relay control circuit. P0629 short circuit to onboard of electric pump relay control circuit. P062B internal malfunction of controller driver for fuel supply control. P062F controller non-volatile data memory EEPROM malfunction. P0642 low level of power supply of pedal position sensor no. 1 acceleration. P0643 acceleration pedal position sensor number 1 power supply high. P0645 air conditioner clutch relay control circuit malfunction. P0646 open circuit or short circuit to ground of air conditioner clutch relay circuit. P0647 short circuit to ground of air conditioner clutch relay circuit. P0648 air conditioner clutch relay circuit malfunction immobilizer indicator control circuit. P0650 MIL check engine lamp control circuit malfunction. P0652 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 power supply low P0653 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 power supply high P0670 glow plug relay control circuit open P068 A0123 main relay switches off too soon after engine stop P068B main. Relay does not switch off after engine stop P0691 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay #1 P0692 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay #1 P0693 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay number 2 P0694 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay number 1 or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay no. 2 P0694 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the electric fan. Relay no. 2 P06A1 open circuit or short circuit to mass of the control circuit of the air conditioner compressor. Relay P06A2 short circuit to onboard of the control circuit of the air conditioner compressor. Relay air conditioner P0704 incorrect clutch pedal switch signal P1570 no response from APS immobilizer or communication line brake P1571 unregistered. Electronic key used P1572 circuit breakage or faulty immobilizer transmitting antenna P1573 internal malfunction of APS immobilizer unit. 0130 P1574 immobilizer function in controller not activated, controller in untrained state, P1575 access to APS immobilizer blocked by controller. P1576 immobilizer transponder defective or not programmed. P1600 engine diagnostic indicator control circuit defective. P2100 0131 throttle electric actuator control circuit failure. 0132 P21 010133 electric throttle actuator position out of operating range. 0134 P21 020135 controller flash ROM fault, checksum error. 0136 P21 030137 short circuit to onboard of the electric throttle control circuit. 0138 P21 220140 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 1 circuit low signal level. 0141 P06070 acceleration pedal position sensor circuit no. 1 signal level is high. 0172 P21 27020 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 circuit low signal level. 0202 P21 280203 acceleration pedal position sensor no. 2 circuit high signal level. 0204 P21 380222 acceleration pedal position sensor number 1 and number 2 do not match. 0223 P21 410 exhaust gas recirculation valve control circuit shorted to ground. 0262 P21 42024 exhaust gas recirculation valve circuit short-circuited to the onboard network. 0265 P21 46027 cylinder 1 injector power supply open circuit. 0268 P22 27070 atmospheric pressure sensor signal in controller out of range. 0271 P22 280 atmospheric pressure sensor circuit in controller low signal level. 0301 P22 290 atmospheric pressure sensor circuit signal high in controller. 0303 P22 640 fuel water sensor circuit or sensor malfunction. 0327 P22 69 invalid, out of range above maximum amount of water in fuel. P2299 brake pedal and accelerator pedal sensor signals mismatch. P2517 low signal level in AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. P2518 high signal level in AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit. P2530 faulty ignition switch circuit in operating position. P2687 open circuit in fuel heater control circuit. Fuel heater relay. P2688 short circuit to mass of fuel heater relay control circuit P2689 short circuit to onboard network of fuel heater relay control circuit U0155 defective. Information exchange circuit with instrument cluster to commutator control circuit is defective. Conclusion: repair and tuning of ZMZ. 409 engine motorists prefer to do it themselves. The motor has sufficiently high technical characteristics, and constructive simplicity allows you to carry out modification practically in the garage. 0340 Engine ZMZ 409 Engine ZMZ 409 Engine ZMZ 409 0420443045048105000560056005630605 06060627062806290645 06460646706920693413351336138881389139 13911545155157015721573157415741575158 157916032106 2122 2123 2127 2128 2135 2130 8 2187 2188 2195 2270 2271. In conclusion, the ZMZ 409 engine stands out with its impressive technical specifications and robust performance, making it a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts. Throughout this video, we explored the common faults that can arise in this power unit and discussed effective repair strategies to ensure its longevity. Additionally, we delved into tuning and refining techniques that can enhance its capabilities even further. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a passionate car owner, understanding the intricacies of the ZMZ 409 engine can significantly improve your experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information valuable for your repair and tuning endeavors.